Black lentil fried rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lentil recipes and one of the most different of the black lentil recipes. Today we're going to make black lentil rice. And the ingredients are 100 grams of black lentil. Here we have taken black lentil from which the skin has been taken off, and it's split black lentil. One spoon of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger, 2 green chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 20 to 25 shallots, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Now put in the shallots and the fennel seeds. Saute thoroughly. Saute the shallots and the fennel seeds together. Until the shallots lose their pinkish color. Now put in the ginger, some turmeric, ingredients together. Now put in the garlic, put in the 2 green chillies, salt, saute, keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauteing this. Now put in the tomato pieces, salt, keep on sauteing. Now put in the split black lentil, or black gram, or Urad Dal. Mix. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices, salt, saute thoroughly. Now put in salt to taste. And a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix and thoroughly saute and mix. Now pour in 200 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black lentil rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black lentil fried rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the lentil recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the boiled rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.